Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Roku account. So let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Soon after that, go to the search box and type in roku.com and search. Also make sure to log into your roku.com account if you haven't already. Once you are in, go and mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and click on My Account. Once you end up in this menu, click on this Delete Account link under Account tab. If you are sure you'd like to close your Roku account, remember that you will no longer be able to access any items purchased under your account. So, go ahead and select a region for leaving. You can choose any one and explain why you are trying to close the account. Once you are done entering any explanation why you are trying to close the account, click on the Continue button at the bottom and your Roku account has now been closed. If you ever want to return in the future, remember that you'll need to create a new account. So that is how you can easily delete your Roku account if you don't want to use the platform anymore. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.